Hi Ray, so I've cleared Cloudflare, cleared my browser cache. Well, actually, it's probably best to clear everything, isn't it? Perhaps that's it. Let me have a look. Okay, staging 1. Yeah, no, that's what it does. It does that on, so if I view the page source, so, it's all there. But I get this white screen, and if I go to scenicgems.com, which was pushed yesterday once you said everything, the caching was working. I think I pushed it then. One other thing, so if I go to thank you, yeah, I get that. So there was a bunch of page before. It never used to do that before. I could probably test that on staging. Yeah, so that's what's happening at my end anyway. So I'll send this over to you now so you can have a look. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.